In this video, let us look at the topic of half angle formulas. So there are formulas like sine A by 2 is equal to root of S minus B into S minus C by BC. Cos A by 2 is root of S into S minus A by BC. Tan A by 2 is root of S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. These formulas are called half angle formulas. So A is the angle of a triangle. Small a, small b, small c are the sides which we have already discussed. So how do we get these formulas? Sine A by 2 is equal to root of S minus B into S minus C by BC. So if you have sine A by 2 here, you get B and C here. So if you have B by 2, you get A and C. If you have C by 2, you get A and B. And whatever sides that come in the numerator, those sides come in the denominator also. So these formulas are based on the cosine rule which you have derived. So from trigonometry, we know that sine square of A by 2 is nothing but 1 minus cos A by 2. 1 minus cos A is 2 sine square A by 2. Or cos A is 1 minus 2 sine square A by 2. From this formula, so you can see that sine square A by 2 is 1 by 2 times 1 minus cos A. So from cosine formula, cos A is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So that is equal to half times. So if you take the LCM, you get 2BC minus B square minus C square plus A square by 2BC. That is equal to 1 by 4 BC times. So you can see this as equal to A square minus of, if you take a minus common from these three terms, you get B square plus C square minus 2BC. That is B minus C whole square. So that is equal to 1 by 4 BC times. This is of the form A square minus B square is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. It is A plus B minus C times A minus of B minus C, that is A minus B plus C. So that is equal to, so what is this term? These are very familiar terms in properties of triangles. So let us see what these terms are. There are two terms which are adding and one term which is getting subtracted. So we know that 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. Because S is A plus B plus C by 2, 2S is A plus B plus C. Now what is 2S minus 2A? So let us subtract 2A from this 2S. Is nothing but A plus B plus C minus 2A. That is nothing but minus A plus B plus C. So if you have B plus C minus A, that's nothing but 2 times S minus A. Similarly, if you subtract 2B, 2 times S minus B will be equal to A minus B plus C. And 2 times S minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. So you need to remember these expressions very clearly. So whenever you have A plus B plus C, that is 2S. So if you have A plus B minus C, that's nothing but 2 times S minus C. A minus B plus C, 2 times S minus B, so on. So what is A plus B minus C? So that is equal to 1 by 4 BC times A plus B minus C is 2 times S minus C. This is 2 times S minus B. So 2, 2 and 4 gets cancelled. That is equal to S minus B times S minus C by BC. So sine square A by 2 is this. So sine A by 2 is square root of S minus B into S minus C by BC. So I hope this is a very straightforward derivation. So we just use the cosine rule here and we took the LCM and we have expressed this as A square minus B square. So it became A plus B into A minus B, and we have gone forward to derive this. So similarly, we can derive the formula for cos square A by 2 also. So cos square A by 2 is nothing but 1 plus cos A by 2. We have just one sign difference. So let us do the derivation for cos A by 2 also. So next, cos A by 2 is equal to So the formula is 1 plus cos A by 2. That's nothing but half times 1 plus cos A is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. That is equal to half times, if you take the LCM, 2BC plus B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. That is equal to half times B square plus C square plus 2BC is B plus C whole square minus A square by 2BC. That is equal to 1 by 4BC times, this is also of the form A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B, B plus C plus A into B plus C minus A. So that is equal to, using the same derivations that we have done, B plus C plus A is nothing but 2S, and B plus C minus A is nothing but 2 times S minus A by 4BC. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 gets cancelled. That is equal to S times S minus A by BC. S times S minus A by BC. So cos square A by 2 is 1 plus cos A by 2 is S into S minus A by BC. So cos A by 2 is root of S into S minus A by BC. And once you have sin A by 2 and cos A by 2, tan A by 2 is nothing but the quotient of these two, sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. So this BC and BC gets cancelled. So you get root of S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. So these formulas are called half angle formulas. So before moving forward, so we need to understand that these formulas are not just limited to A by 2. So if you want sine of B by 2, just need to take the square root of, if you're using B here, you should not use B here. That is S minus A into S minus C by AC. And what is sine C by 2? It's nothing but root of, you should not use C. So S minus A into S minus B by AB. So this is how you extend the formulas to other angles. So the derivation looks very similar. You can try to do the derivations. Similarly, cos B by 2 is nothing but, if you have A here, you have A here. So root of S into S minus B by AC. So in the denominator, whatever angle is used here, the corresponding side will not come. So what is cos C by 2? It's nothing but root of S times S minus C by AB. And once you have sin B by 2 and cos B by 2, tan B by 2 is nothing but root of S minus A times S minus C by S into S minus B, and tan C by 2 is equal to root of S minus A into S minus B by S into S minus C. So these are the complete set of half angle formulas which you need to understand. Thank you.